Hello everyone, welcome to Sentence Diagramming 101. This video is about exercise 9C, so we are going to identify some word functions and diagram some sentences. Looks like this one's all about Eddie Murphy, so here we go. So we've got in the early 1980s, that's going to tell me when, and then on SNL tells me where, so this is really just Eddie Murphy starred. Alright, well, Eddie Murphy starred. And then when did he star? In the 80s. And then it was the 80s. It was the early 80s. And then he also starred on Saturday Night Live. Boom. Murphy began what? He began his career, and then by playing Reggie Hammond in 48 hours. So we've got a prepositional phrase, happens to have a gerund, object of a gerund, telling me how and where. So both adverbing here. Alright, so we have Murphy. He began what? He began his career. It's his career, it's his film career. And then he began by doing what? By playing Reggie Hammond, right? And then he was playing him in 48 hours. Cool, number 2, done. Moving on to number 3, later in the 1980s. So we have an adverb, and then we also have a when. So prepositional phrase telling me adverb things. He became who? He became, Axel Foley. Yeah, in Beverly Hills Cop. That's also telling me where. So we've got he became. I'm going to leave lots of room because we have lots of things to happen there. And then Axel Foley, and then, all right, so it was later. And then it was in the 1980s. And then where did he become him? In the franchise. And which franchise? It was the franchise. It was the Beverly Hills Cop franchise. All right, all adverbs telling me where and when. Continuing, we've got another adverb prepositional phrase telling me when, or I'm sorry, where, still adverbing. Murphy plays, what does he play? He plays roles, and then 7, adjective. All right, so we've got Murphy plays, he plays roles, he plays 7 roles, and then he plays those roles in The Nutty Professor. Okay, and then he shows, what does he show? Talent. Ooh, we got an adverb clause. Ooh, with a double. Interesting. When he voices, so subject, transitive verb, so he voices donkey and he voices Mushu, and then we have some prepositional phrases. Give myself room for that one. Okay, so he, what does he do? He shows, and then what does he show? His talent. Okay, and then he shows his talent when he does what? When he voices. And what is he voicing? He's voicing donkey. And then donkey is in Shrek. And he's also voicing Mushu. But Mushu is in Mulan. And then we have an and, right? And then we have a when. Verb to verb because it's an adverb. Telling me when, literally, right? All right, and that has been exercise 9C.